you are encountering in a situation of a problem, just learn to treat and understand this as a normal part of life, of your life. I know it is not easy in some cases, and sometimes problem becomes difficult to deal with. You keep your respect for each other, and needless to say, your love for each other, you will overcome it. Place God above all, and in your life always. I am grateful that you and Mike did find each other and became partners in life. You and your family, Mari, welcome to the family. God bless us all. Thank you.
Sa mag-asawa ay hindi lang na silingan ganay lang kamo kundi may intindihan ay gid kamo isa kag isa. Kag ginanan kun ano inyong problema, istoryahan nyo lang. Mula na akong ginakuan nga kinana maintindihan na lang sila nga duha.
Salamat sa tanan nga nagtambong. Kag ako man nagpasalamat ako kay Lord na nagamarsa nga po ka sa Domingo. Tears of joy ako kay nahatag ni Lord nga magdayunay kamo. Salamat.